Hi everyone, I'm AnnaMaria and I'm here talking to you live from Future Electronics AEU in Dallas, Texas. We've been away from this for the last 2 years. Very happy to be back. Very happy to be at the ST Nights tonight, where we've got members of their marketing, sales, and engineering units thanking our teams for the support that they've provided ST and learning about ST's new focus technologies and what we're going to do in 2023 to continue to make it our #1 line.
Hi, my name is Richard Pensabeni. I'm a generalist AE with Future Electronics out of the Philadelphia, South Jersey marketplace. I just sat through a very informative 90-minute training with Abercrombie. I think one of the things I learned the most, besides knowing what I can associate with some of the bigger ticket items on a board, is their antenna offering, in particular their stamped metal and niche antennas, which are used for larger opportunities. Also, on the oscillator standpoint, continuous voltage crystal oscillators are a new product that they're using to target for MEMS replacements, given that MEMS devices are running almost 60 to 70 weeks. Overall, it was very informative. I enjoyed it very much.
Hi, my name is Todd Zagumny. I'm here at AEU 2022. I just got out of the Bosch seminar where they went over all their sensor portfolio. And one of the things that stood out to me was the new software that they're releasing for them. It's going to help you do your sensor integration easier than before. They're going to have code examples, API examples, just to make it easier for the integration. So you spend less time coding and more time using the sensors. And this is my first AEU. I've only done virtual, so I'm really excited to come here, meet everybody. I've never met most of the people face to face, so that's really great, and I'm having a great time here.